Looking to keep your tonneau cover looking brand new? In this video, we'll review the best tonneau cover cleaner and protector on the market. Whether you have a soft or hard cover, these products will help protect your investment from the elements, UV damage, and everyday wear and tear. Stay tuned as we explore top picks to keep your truck bed cover looking sharp and durable. Before you jump in, check the description for helpful links and resources. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, the Mother's VLR offers a 3-in-1 solution for vinyl, leather, and rubber surfaces on your tonneau cover. This 24-ounce bottle contains a pH-balanced formula that tackles stubborn dirt and stains while conditioning the material in one step. The product's strength lies in its Neat's foot oil and lanolin infusion, which prevents drying and cracking. Actually, this makes it particularly effective for older tonneau covers that have already started showing wear. You'll appreciate the UV screening agents that block sun damage, and it works on all tonneau cover types without leaving greasy residue. Keep in mind, while customers praise its pleasant leather scent and natural-looking finish, some find the conditioning effect can vary depending on how weathered your cover is. If you have a heavily damaged cover, you might need multiple applications to see significant improvement. The application process is straightforward. Spray on, wipe down, and you're done. Because it's designed for multiple surface types, it's convenient if you want to clean your seats and dashboard at the same time. However, the price point sits higher than basic cleaners, which might not justify the cost if you only need it for tonneau covers. Things to consider. The formula works best on covers that aren't severely damaged, and you'll need to reapply more frequently in harsh climates. Some users report it takes longer to show results on extremely faded covers. Moving on to number 4, LEER Gear focuses specifically on tonneau and truck bed covers with their 22-ounce cleaner. This American-made product promises to clean and brighten both hard and soft covers while working on multiple surfaces including fabric, vinyl, plastic, and rubber. The application process requires you to rinse first, spray evenly, agitate with a soft brush or damp towel, then rinse again. It's designed to rinse completely residue-free, which prevents the buildup that can attract more dirt later. And the versatility extends beyond tonneau covers. You can use it on convertible tops and car bras. However, there's a notable limitation here. Because this is strictly a cleaner, it doesn't provide any protection or conditioning. You'll need to purchase their separate protectant product to get complete care for your cover. This two-step system might appeal to those who prefer specialized products, but it also means additional cost and effort. Keep in mind, while the residue-free formula sounds appealing, some users find it requires more scrubbing than expected for heavily soiled covers. The cleaning power is decent but not exceptional compared to combination products. Actually, the biggest drawback is the need for their companion protectant. If you're looking for convenience, having to buy and apply 2 separate products defeats the purpose of quick maintenance. Things to consider. You'll need both the cleaner and protectant for complete care, doubling your investment. The cleaning power alone isn't strong enough for severely neglected covers.
At number 3, Tyger combines cleaning and protection in their 22 fluid-ounce American-made spray. This product targets leather and vinyl surfaces specifically, making it ideal for soft tonneau covers and other vehicle surfaces like seats and door panels. The UV protectant finish helps repel dirt, dust, and grease, which should reduce how often you need to clean your cover. You know, the larger 22-ounce size gives you more product than typical sprays, and the non-glossy finish maintains a natural appearance without that artificial shine some products create. The application couldn't be simpler. Spray and wipe. Customers report impressive results, with one mentioning it removed 10 years of gravel dust buildup. Actually, the durability seems solid, with the protection holding up through multiple car washes. But here's where it gets tricky. While some users achieve sparkling results, others experience streaking and splotching issues. The stain resistance gets mixed reviews, suggesting the formula might be inconsistent or application technique plays a bigger role than advertised. Keep in mind, the price point divides opinions. Some consider it reasonable, while others find it overpriced for what you get. Because it's formulated specifically for leather and vinyl, it might not be the best choice if you have a hard tonneau cover made from different materials. Things to consider. Results can be inconsistent, with some users reporting streaks despite following instructions. The specialized leather and vinyl formula limits its versatility compared to multi-surface cleaners. Taking the number 2 spot, Chemical Guy's VRP comes in a 3-pack of 16 fluid-ounce bottles, giving you plenty of product for multiple applications. This water-based dressing creates a super shine on rubber, vinyl, and textured plastic surfaces while maintaining a non-greasy finish. The professional-grade formula appeals to both beginners and experienced detailers, and it's made in America at their Southern California facility. The product applies smoothly when used with a proper applicator and doesn't leave the slippery residue that some competitors do. Actually, customers consistently praise how it makes surfaces look great, often performing better than other products they've tried. The application process is straightforward, and the finish looks natural rather than artificially glossy. However, durability becomes the main concern. While some users report the protection lasting through multiple washes, others find it doesn't survive the first rain. This inconsistency in longevity is frustrating, especially considering the price point for the 3-pack. Because it's designed primarily for tires and trim, it might not provide the specialized care that tonneau covers need for long-term protection. You don't get the conditioning benefits that dedicated tonneau cover products offer. Keep in mind, the washability issues mean you'll likely need to reapply frequently, which increases the long-term cost despite getting 3 bottles initially. Things to consider. Protection duration varies significantly between users and weather conditions. The tire-focused formula may not provide optimal care for tonneau cover materials specifically. Our number 1 choice, the best tonneau cover cleaner and protector, is the 303 Products formula in a 16 fluid-ounce bottle. This American-made cleaner safely handles both hard and soft tonneau covers while working effectively on fabric and vinyl convertible tops and car bras. The professional-grade formula used in the marine industry brings serious cleaning power to your tonneau cover. It rinses completely residue-free, preventing streaks that plague other products. And the UV protection helps prevent fading and cracking, addressing 2 major concerns for tonneau cover owners. Customers consistently report excellent results, removing accumulated dust and dirt while keeping covers looking new. The product thoroughly cleans soft tops and remains safe on zippers and soft windows, which is crucial for maintaining your cover's functionality. Actually, the cleaning effectiveness stands out most. Users mention it restores the appearance of neglected covers and provides reliable protection. Because it's formulated by a company known for marine applications, it handles harsher outdoor conditions better than general-purpose cleaners. However, opinions split on color restoration, with some reporting discoloration issues on certain cover materials. The price point also draws mixed reactions. Some find it a fantastic value, while others find it expensive for the 16-ounce size. Keep in mind, while the marine-grade formula provides excellent cleaning power, you'll want to test it on a small area first if you have an older or discolored cover. Things to consider. May cause color changes on some materials, and the smaller bottle size means higher cost per ounce compared to larger competitors. That wraps up our top 5 tonneau cover cleaners and protectors. If this helped you choose the right product, hit the like button and subscribe for more automotive reviews.